Hello guys, today we will create a work of art inspired by artist Diego Isaías Hernandez Mendez, who is part of a Sutujil town in Guatemala. The Sutujil people were once a part of the Mayan civilization. Today we are drawing a jaguar who is said to be the ruler of the underworld, and they were once representatives of power, ferocity, and valor in the Mayan civilization. Be sure to check out our Bitmoji Museum to learn more about the Mayans and about the different artists that we will be celebrating during this Hispanic Heritage Month. Let's get started. The first thing you will need is your sketchbook, a pencil, and a ruler. Given that I do not have a ruler, I will simply be using my watercolors. So I am going to be using them today because they are long. You can use anything that's long in your house that can be kind of like a ruler. So here we go. First, I am going to make two little dots here at the top of the page, just like this. 1, 2. Make sure they're a little bit separated like that. Now I'm going to move the ruler or the paper or something long down, and I will make two other dots, but this time I'm going to make them closer to the end of the page, like this, to the edge of the page. Sorry. Now we're going to move down kind of towards the bottom of the page, if you can see it. And I am going to be making two more dots, but I'm going to follow this line right here. 1, I'm going to follow the imaginary line. 2. Now for the last ones, I'm going to go down, and now I'm going to follow this imaginary line. 1, follow the imaginary line. 2. It should look something like this. Whenever you're done, you will connect the dots by first connecting these two horizontal lines. Then you can make the two vertical lines, and then the diagonal lines like this. Now you should be done with your shape. Can anybody tell me what kind of shape this is? Because in art we use a lot of shapes, and shapes are also a part of math. So whenever we're learning art, we are also learning math. Let's keep going. Now we're going to make another shape here. We are going to be making this like line like this other line, and they're kind of about in towards the middle of the page. Then we're going to make a horizontal line creating this shape right here, kind of like a quadrilateral shape. Now I'm going to make a triangle here on the bottom. And then we're going to start here at the bottom, and we're going to make a trapezoid like this. It doesn't have to be perfect, guys. Just try your best. Then I am going to make a line that goes from this side all the way over here, just like this, following the diagonal line at the bottom. Now if you mess up, just start again and try one more time. Make sure that all the lines are correct. Now we are going to be making a kind of like a curved line right here, and a curved line over here. And then on this side I am going to make this curve for the eyes, making them kind of about the same size. And then at the bottom I'm going to actually start another line like this that's going to curve it. Now if this line is not close, I am going to make it close to the eyes, just like that. Now I am going to do a line that comes from this point all the way here, like this. And then I will make another kind of smaller line like that. Now for the tooth right here, the teeth, Oh, they're actually fangs because it is a jaguar. I'm going to be making them like that. The top fangs. Just like that. Now on this part, I am going to make a line that comes from here down towards the middle of the eye, and then down towards the middle of the eye. Then I will do another line that comes from up here towards the top part of the eye, and again towards the top part of the eye. Now here in the middle, I will make these lines unite by going down and up. Make sure that this is deep enough. And then I will make another one that goes down and up, making that deep line there. Then I am going to be making a line here towards kind of like this part of the mouth. So I'm going to go up and up. Then I am going to come on the side and I'm going to make a semicircle like this, and then a circle in the middle. And I'm also going to make a semicircle here at the bottom and one in the middle as well. Here I am going to make a line that goes down and creates a triangle, and on this side I will make a semicircle once more, and in the inside a smaller circle. Now on the sides, if you want, you can make other semicircles like this with circles in the middle. Now that you're done with this part, you can come up here to make the ears, and you will do so by making kind of like this pointy mountain, just like that. In the inside, you will make another one. And now you're done with that part. Now on the background, we are going to be making some lines. So the lines that I want to show you how to make are these. First, you start with kind of like a box shape. Then you're going to go up, and you're going to go into the middle like this. I'm going to show you again, but this time I'm going to start from the bottom right here, and I'm going to make this kind of like a squarish rectangle down and in the inside this. And I'm going to keep going all the way down this way. Now I am done with those patterned lines. I can make some lines here in the middle, and I will make maybe 4 lines right here, starting with the bottom part. I'm going to put a little dot so that I know where I am going to put them, and those little dots. This one I will make a kind of like a zigzag line, and I'm going to keep going in my mind and finish here on the side. Then over here I just want a horizontal line, so I will start, finish. Here I want kind of like a wavy line, and at the very end I just want kind of like a dashed line. So there we go. Now that you are done with this, that is all we have to do for today. Next time, go ahead and come on into the class so that way you can see how to create the next part of the project, which is coloring. And remember, happy Hispanic Heritage Month, and have a good one, guys. See you next time.